Homemade pineapple cough syrup. Pineapple juice not only gives you cough relief, it also supports your overall wellness. Syrup recipe: 1 cup pineapple juice, 2 tablespoons honey, 1/4 cup lemon juice, pinch of sea salt, pinch of cayenne pepper and/or ground ginger, optional. Combine the ingredients by mixing or stirring. If you don't have any extra glass bottles lying around, use a mason jar or one of these reusable bottles to store the food. Take 1 to 3 tablespoons as needed to soothe a cough, cold, or sore throat.